Bonjour everyone and welcome. Today we will learn how to pronounce the name of my favorite French dessert. It's flaky, buttery, a little crispy. I'm talking about the mille-feuille. So how do you pronounce it correctly with the real French accent? So you will simply say mille-feuille, mille-feuille, mille-feuille. So pronounce it carefully. The second word feuille is difficult. You will say feuille, 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 mille-feuille. Did you know that the term mille-feuille is French for 1000 petals, referring to the decadent layering of pastry in the dessert? So I hope you enjoyed this video and please do subscribe to our channel and watch more videos if you want. I wish you an amazing day. Bye bye, salut.